आज का दिन 8 अगस्त NS फैमिली के लिए अजीम साबित होगा इंशाअल्लाह। दुआओं की दरख्वास्त, अल्लाह ताला बरकत डाले।
Today you become man and wife, fulfilling the sunnah as way of life. Today you find serenity, may your life be filled with sincerity. There is no happier day in your life than the virtue of being man and wife. There's joy without any end. Allah's blessing on this day does descend. Nikahun mubarakun, zawajun mubarakun, an-nikahu min sunnati, ma qala an-nabi huwa sahih. Nikahun